this short movie will illustrate the improvements in the Burch line grabber. You'll see that I have thrown the throw bag over a limb that I want to get to, and you can see on the end is the throw bag. This is the initial setup for the Burch line grabber. Get the throw bag over that limb that you want to get to. The BLG consists of two parts. This piece of closed cell foam is the top part. It has a slot cut about halfway through it. And this piece of closed cell foam is what holds the Burch line grabber onto the throw line. Like that. The bottom part of the BLG is a piece of curtain rod with some copper wire stuck in the end formed into a hook, and a couple of attachment points, including a rubber stopper at the rear end that is a little more massive than the middle contact point, which is again closed cell foam. In its compact position, it's about 10 inches long, but the copper will extend out of the curtain rod tube another 7 or 8 inches, and that'll become important as you see in a moment. The copper hook that sticks out is actually tied to the throw line, as you can see here, and that all is inserted inside the curtain rod tube, and the throw line exits the rear of the curtain rod near the heavy rubber stopper. One other important part is the angle of the BLG needs to be horizontal, even though the throw line may be going up at quite a steep angle, as seen hopefully here. There you'll see the BLG is hanging horizontally. That's made possible by the fact that this line is adjustable through the rubber stopper, and this line is adjustable by pulling it through the closed cell foam to the desired length. So the beauty of the BLG is that as you release the line going to the throw bag, the BLG starts ascending upwards toward that limb that you're trying to get to. So there you see the BLG is climbing, and that hook is going to snag the rope going down to the throw bag. A little bit hard to do with one hand. There, I had it. There, I had it again. So I just want to make sure you got that last idea. Once the BLG is clamped on the throw line, all you have to do is let the throw line out. The throw bag descends towards the ground. Gravity, in effect, pulls the BLG up to where you're trying to go. So I think you can see the BLG has done its job and hooked the descending line. Now I'm going to pull in on the BLG line. A little bit hard to do with one hand. But you can see the throw bag is indeed coming to me. And this is very easy to do, even over distances of like 30 feet horizontally. So I think there's a great application here if you want to get to another tree, or just get to a distant limb in the tree you're in, or perhaps get to a tree limb that's covered with brush and you can't swing that throw bag back to you. So maybe you can see that successful hooking. Now I'm going to pull back on the BLG line, which will eventually bring the throw bag line back to me. So I'm going to try and balance the camera in the crook of my arm here.